Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a Beyblade Burst Toys review. So today we're going to be reviewing Kerbeous K2 and Yegrion. So we have Yegrion's, I forgot what this is, I'm going to call this the rim, and his performance tip. Then we have Kerbeous K2's energy cap, rim, and performance tip. So let me tell you something about stamina types. Stamina types are built to outspin their opponents. That's why you could tell why their freaking rims, why their performance tips are so slim. Now, the defense types are built, their performance tips, you see that round thing and the rest of it is fat? That's so it can spin firm in its place and have strong attack. Well, not strong attack, but stand firm, so it won't get knocked out. Now, defense rims are not that defendy. I don't even know if that's a word, but whatever. Because as you can see, I don't know why I'm freaking moving it so much. So as you can see, it has that it's not that defended, and the staminas, they're round, so it can have better aerodynamics. But let's not do that. So now we're going to start building our base. So let's get it. But yet, the Y2s and Yegrion Y2, Kerbeous K2, Sprazen S2, all of those are mashed together with another kind of Beyblade, so that they might have an advantage. Yegrion Y2 is a attack defense, defense stamina. So when going against a defense type, it has an advantage. So yeah, so as you can see, this is a battle to see who has strongest stamina. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my gosh, Dad, but Yegrion's a stamina type, he has more stamina. Well, that's not true sometimes. Sometimes, stamina types just have a little bit less stamina than it's supposed to have. So now, we are going to be having a battle against the, this is a battle for defense. To see. Okay, never mind that, guys. That was just a freaking. I hate Yegrion so freaking much. It's just a freaking useless stamina type, good for nothing. So, let's get it. Fight for defense has went on. I know you guys heard that thing. I wish you guys could have saw it, but sadly you couldn't. Why does this look so old-timey? I don't know why. But, can you guys see the contact? They're spinning so fast I just can't see it. And say it isn't true. Say it isn't true. Guys, Yegrion has just beaten in a defense type, in a battle for defense. Now we're going to see who has stronger attack. There are Beyblade Burst tournaments going on Friday. We're at my after school program. I'm going to leave where that is on the comment section below. And you guys might be asking, hey, where do you live? Heck, y'all crazy if y'all think I'm telling y'all where I live. Heck, no, y'all some creeps, y'all some creepos. Go creep on your mamas or something. Not a threat. Please don't bully me. I'm sorry, everybody. Don't ask that question, because y'all be asking. You guys don't need to know what happened there. Hopefully I can edit that out. Nobody heard what I said. Nobody heard that. I can't actually edit, guys. No, what did I say, guys? I can edit. That's why my pictures are so bad. Yeah, for the videos. So let's go. There will be. I don't think we hit 3 likes yet because I didn't check the video. But I don't care. I'm gonna double upload because I love you guys and I need you guys to subscribe and like. Lately, for like noobs, for like the newbies on YouTube, like me, I've been growing in popularity. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna try to make it to 2,000. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Yegrion has no chance against Kerbeous K2 in the battle for this attack. So that's all I wanted to show you guys is a battle against a Beyblade Burst review against Yegrion, and I'm gonna spell it right this time, I promise. So guys, that's all I wanted to do is review these Beyblades. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and bye.